10 sekunder.
Ja, ja. Den filmer nu.
Ja, for helvede.
Hvordan kan det være, at I er her endnu, når alle de andre de er at dykke?
Det er fordi, du skal holde kæft. Are you ready, diver? Hvad så spidt deine her?
You need to match here.
Aus.
Next time.
Yeah, you can borrow mine.
Alice takes
I don't use it.
Already on the surface.
She uses more faster than me.
It's normal by a beginner.
Yeah, exactly. That's okay.
Looking very good on Alice.
So, if you want to go in front of the boat, you go down. Come on.
Prøv lige at se ved siden af dig, Mikkel.
No playing now. We don't have time for playing.
Yeah, go. I'm faster than you anyway, so.
Yeah.
Ja, ham har jeg gesehen.
Yeah.